lot of courses are divided into a few days, for example, every month. And that would mean traveling back and forth to somewhere every month, taking time away from practice. So this way I could organize my time and do the online lectures when I want to.
Basically, it gave me the flexibility to still work in a full-time job, but also get good experience without having to give up too much clinical time.
If your life is really busy, if you want to stay in the practice, you don't have to waste your clinical days, and you just crack on whenever you have time for it.
There's an online forum, and you can also email as well, but the forum's there and Dominic will dip in and out and he'll take his time to answer your queries, and it'll open up a real feed so others can get involved as well and you can all help each other. You can ask the question anytime, or if you don't ask any question, you've seen the other delegates have asked question and it's been answered very, very quickly.
I was going through all the other questions that students were asking and just taking my knowledge from there.
Every week I got a reminder of my progress and what I needed to do, but there was always a link there to send questions in via email. Everything was so comprehensive and self-explanatory. Having the support there, the examples, and actually being guided through the hands-on, practicing it, and then having someone there to assess what you've done, having a chance to do it as many times as you want, that's been really helpful. So although the theory was in place, it's having the ability to translate that theory into the actual practice of it that has been brilliant.
I think it'd be much better that you can do online course and then a hands-on course, so you can improve knowledge both ways. Dentistry is a practical job. We can learn all the theory and watch all the videos, but really when it comes down to it, we have to do the hands-on. That's the reason I applied for both courses.
I think you can't fully understand the course with any course really. You need to take the tooth in your hands and do it yourself. Then you find that you might have some problems, whether it was Dominic or Claire, were able to sort out and explain how to deal with them. He's fun. he's really good teacher, and I think in person he's even better.
What I've been most impressed with the course was they've managed to pack a lot into a week without you realizing that that's happening. So it has felt quite laid back, but in actual fact we've done a lot. It's flown by.
You walk away actually feeling, at the end of each day, feeling more confident in your skills and reassured that you're doing the right thing.
He's great because of his experience. He can answer to all the questions which you will ask for. Because
multiple specialities all joined together as a one person and then put together in a one course as well.
I just think that this course has opened my eyes up to many aspects of dentistry. I think it would be difficult to find someone that wouldn't benefit from doing it.
First, they don't have to take time off work, and then they can do the course in their own time. I would encourage them to supplement that with the hands-on course as well.
It's really reinforced a lot of things that we probably haven't done as much since university, like occlusion, and really sort of demystified a lot of things that I couldn't really get my head around, even though I've been in practice 5 or 6 years.
I have to say that was one of the best courses I've ever been to, and I had loads of fun. I've learned so much, and I can't wait to get to practice and start doing everything I've learned on my own patients. It's just been really good course.